Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Let us see question number 37 of chapter Light. State the laws of reflection. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ what is reflection? Reflection means when light falls on some surface or object, it bounces back in the same medium. ಅದೇ medium ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ laws of reflection. First law of reflection. The angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Okay. If this is incident ray, this is reflecting ray. ಇದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ರೇ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ರೇ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು at this point of striking ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ to this ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಈ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ angle between this incident ray and normal is called as angle of incidence, and angle between this normal and reflected ray is called as reflecting angle. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, the angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. If angle of incidence 40 degree idre, angle of reflection will also be 40 degree only. Second law of reflection. The incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in the same plane. Incident ray irbodu, reflected ray irbodu and normal. All the three they lie in same plane. ಇವು ಮೂರು ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. These two are the laws of reflection. Thank you.